Welcome back to 2-Minute Tutorials. Let's get right into it. For today's episode, part 4 of color grading, we're looking at the stereo nodes. So, in the color grading tab, we have the parade today, which I'll show you a little bit more about. It works pretty similar to waveform. Anyway, for the stereo nodes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to right click, add node, corrector. So another way you can do that is you can click Alt S, or if you're on Mac, Command S, Option S. One of the two, you'll figure it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 4 separate nodes. Each of these nodes I will rename by right clicking, clicking node label. So the first one will be lift. The second one will be gamma. The third one will be gain. This is a great way to keep organized. The fourth one will be offset. So what I do here when I'm color grading is I like to rename my nodes so I can keep them all in order and I know exactly which node I have used to edit each of my color wheels. So my serial nodes, I'm going to go ahead and decrease my lift. So the color bars are just touching 0. Next I'm going to click on gamma and I'm going to spread those colors out a little bit because I want this image to be a bit brighter than it already was. Next I'll add my gain so I get those color bars to just touch the top, which because the majority of my image is blue, it'll be blue first. Although I kind of wanted to decrease the amount of blue, so I'm going to drag offset towards red a little bit, which as you can see in turn lowers the blue. And now the colors have separated away from 1023, so to brighten that up again I can lift it back up, and maybe I want to add a little bit more darkness into the shadows, so I'll decrease the gain a little bit more. I know now it's gone past 0, but that's just to achieve what we wanted. To go ahead and organize it even further, I select them all, right click, create compound node, and that puts them all into one node. Now I can go ahead and continue on with the rest of my color editing, add more nodes, correctors, parallel mixers, etc, etc. Whatever I need to do, I can do that from here on out. Anyway, that's all for today's tutorial. If you learned something new, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any future tutorials that you want to see, make sure to leave a comment and let me know what they are. If you want to keep up to date with the latest tutorials, make sure to hit subscribe and make sure that bell notification is turned on, and I'll catch you all next time. Until then, peace.